and it's going to be particularly um based on trading psychology, mistakes that we traders mostly make. I'll be using myself as an example today. Um, should I say I got into this weird cycle? Excuse me, let me check if my this is recording. Okay, it's recording. Okay. Should I say today's trading was a bitter experience because I virtually lost all the profit I made from yesterday's trade, and it was so foolish and stupid of me to do that. Like, looking back now, I don't see a reason why I should have done that. Like, but it's alright. Let me give you guys the context of what happened. We as a trader, most of the time we look up to people, and people that we look up to, once they drop a bias on a pair, we tend to go and look at the pair and be like, okay, should I follow this guy's bias? Okay. Um, so one of the people I look at is this guy, Ben Ben Shepolsky or something like that. Let me search him on YouTube. Let me search him up on YouTube. Give me a minute. YouTube. Um, yeah. Ben, yeah. This guy, Ben. I don't know how to pronounce the other this thing. Yeah, this guy right here. And I've grew to like love the guy because he's quite experienced, and when you like we traders there we have people we look up to, and he's one of the people I look up to. Like most of the time I come to watch his videos and get more insight because he's more experienced, he's more like into the market than me, so I tend to come watch his video, get more experience. So Dave, yesterday or day before yesterday, he dropped this video right here, and I'm not gonna lie, this was where he first hinted on the pair here. Wait, yeah, okay, this is it. Yes, this is it. This video right here that's playing. This was where he first hinted on the pair, and the pair he hinted on was USD against Mexican peso. That is USD MXN. That was 2 months ago. When I watched the video, I was like, okay. Then yesterday I was on YouTube. I was like, let me go on his page. I went on his page. I saw this video he dropped 2 weeks ago about the updates on this video that he has already placed the trade. Little did I know. Oh no, I will not say little did I know because I'm a trader. I respect his this thing. He gave his analysis, gave his this thing, reasoning behind everything, and I saw reasons to it. Like I saw reasons to it. Then fast forward today. Today, fast forward today. What happened? I came to the chart. Actually, we are looking for shorts on this pair because you can see that this market has broken below all these previous lower high. Broke. Let me highlight it for you guys. Below this one, duplicate, clone, 2, clone, 3. So we can obviously see that the market has broken below these levels here. Then what we are waiting for is a retest, then continuation to the downside. Mind you, we are on the weekly chart. We're on the weekly chart. Coming down to the daily, because in his video he gave reasons, this, that. So I came on this thing, USD peso, made my analysis, didn't know the pip count. Like, this pair is crazy as hell. Now, didn't know the pip count. Obviously, we are in a downtrend, but you know how the market is. The market doesn't um move in one direction. Even when it's in a downtrend, it pushes then correct. What do I mean by push then correct? You see a push in the uptrend, then we'll see correction, another push, then a correction. So this is basically how the market moves. You understand? Now, in his video, here, he really said he has entered the cell. So what do? I'm looking for position. Mind you, remember, I'm already on a position here on GBP USD. I'm already on a position here. I'm already on a sell here, which I updated you guys on. I'm on this sell on GBP USD, which is playing out almost perfectly. Then, because I was on the sell, I was like, okay, now I'm on the sell. What? Like, I need to get this account up. Because I'm like challenging myself on the account. What do? When he posted the video, I came on USD peso. Mind you, I've been following this pair for a while now because of his video. I saw this push up. Let's start from here. This push up to this area. Correction here. We have another push. Another push. Correction here. Then this push. Correction. Then we kind of have a shift in momentum to the downside. Let me bring this out here so that you can see better. Okay, this was what I was looking at. Now, in my mind, I was like, okay, the market has shifted to the downside. I should be looking for sales. I should enter the market now. I didn't want it to. I was like, I didn't want it to miss out. I didn't want it to miss out on the trade. What did I do? I went down. I foolishly went down to the 4 hours. I was like, okay, this is a support level here. Obviously, this is a support level here. Let me get this box out. I was like, okay, this is a support level here. Like, obviously, that is a support level, which has been broken. That was in the morning, which has been broken. And mind you, this is 4 hours chart. So in the morning, we were around this area right here. Here, I guess. No, I think here, yeah. Here. I'll still scale it down to give you guys more insight to what I'm talking about. The mistake we make, that is why we blew our account as Forex traders. So we're around here. I was like, okay, we're already we've already broken below. So it doesn't hurt for me to enter. Mind you, this is exactly what I did here on GBP USD. Here, go and watch my previous video, you see why. Like, you can see that this is almost the same trade. But the difference between this trade now and the one I took on that piece of pay is clear. Like the difference is quite clear. Number one, you can obviously see this rejection, then the momentum building, then we see this massive bearish engulfing here. That was my distinct confirmation to enter the trade, so I entered here. Now on the peso pay, there was no rejection, we just had this rejection here. Then you can even see that the bulls were even like I'm just seeing this now, but I didn't know why I didn't see it then. You can see that the bulls were still in power. Then we have this rejection here, then the bulls took the market to that level back. The buyers pushed the market above this zone, close below. Then we had some what do you call it, um doji candlesticks, which we mostly call like indecision candles. Then this was where I fucked up. Let me come down to the 1 hour. Yeah, this is exactly it. You can obviously see that this market was still in a uptrend. Obviously, like it was still in a uptrend here. It hasn't shifted. Like this market was literally here when I entered. It hasn't shifted momentum. It hasn't said okay, I'm going down now. It hasn't broken this low when I entered. And I was like, should I wait for it to break the low before I enter, or should I just enter? That was what was on my head. And guess what? I entered right here. This candle. No, I guess it's this candle. Let me make it bigger so that it will be clearer. I entered on this candle. No, this one, yeah, this one. With a stop loss, I guess 30 pips around here. What happened? The market danced, pushed up, stopped me out. 30 pips with two positions. That is around with 0.01 load. That is around, I guess, $1.5, which was quite painful. I was like, okay, it stopped me out, but I'm seeing this rejection, I'm seeing this rejection. I saw this rejection again. I saw this one and I was like, wow, this is rejecting, but it hasn't broken this low. It hasn't even created any confirmation of like bearish engulfing that is going to go lower. In my head, I'm like, why don't I enter now at a good price instead of waiting for the market to break below this low right here, which is the mistake I'm always talking about that we make. Why did I enter this trade? Number one, this trade wasn't even like my call or my signal or what I will trade on a normal day. I entered because someone I looked up to talked, like, spoke about his pay. So in my head, I'm like, he can't fuck up. Like, he can't be wrong. I have to enter this trade. Like, I have to I have to enter this trade. So I entered again here. Another 30 pips loss. Sorry, stop loss. And the market all the partial I took on yesterday's trade here. All the partials I took, I lost it here looking for this trade. What happened later? The market did what? Broke. Like, look at this card. Like, it's broke above this one. It tested now, heading to the upside. Now, what am I trying to say with this? My point of story. it's good to have mentors. It's good to have someone you look up to. But I guess this have make me learn something because this is always the reason why I blow my account most of the time. When I go on Instagram, YouTube, I see the traits that people I look up to, like people I modify my traits. I see their signals or things that look like I'll be doing good on my own. But once I add it, because of the trust I have for them, I see myself blowing account or okay. At least one good thing I did do was I didn't enter multiple entries like I didn't go like because normally what I'll do is once it hits stop loss, I'll enter again. If it's stop loss, I'll enter again. Easier. Once this trade is losing, I'll enter again. Before you know it, I'll lose the account. But I was already on a good trade before. So in a nutshell, what I'm just trying to say is it's good to have mentors, but it's also good for us to like look at ourselves for that mentor we are looking at, the person we are looking at, that person we are looking at. Yes, he's a good trader, but he's a better trader now than us. That is why we are looking at the person as a mentor. But look at it now. The signal you are getting from him or what that trade you want to do. Do you understand what he's doing? Because you might be losing on that trade and he might be on a winning condition or he might not even be in the trade because he hasn't seen the entry pattern yet. When you are losing and you are working with his brain like, oh, this is that, this is that. So that is just it. I'll pull up the screenshots here so I can show you the losses that I took on this trade. Like it's wiped out all the profits. Not massive, 75% of the cash hours I took from this trade is wiped it all out. From the GDP is the trade, we have to go out. We are still hopeful, we are still looking at it, we are still looking. So that's just it. I just wanted to come out here and just talk and actually just I wanted to sleep. The time is literally 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. in the morning. Like early in the morning, everybody is sleeping. So I was like, something struck me and I was like, this is how I live this account. Get on winning trees. When I get on winning trees, what next? I go on tilt round two. As I go on tilt round two, I go stack up have a good run like then one does go have use the account. You understand? And it's quite painful. But I guess that is why we are traders and that's why we got to get better like we just have to cooperate again. Get better, get better, get better. That's really your mindset, that's really our mindset. Get better, get better. At least number one to do is that I'm not taking any signal guys. Like I'm not taking any trade that isn't my signal originally. That is number one. Number two is that maximum of 2 entry. For instance, if I get one stop loss hit, next trade and I get another stop loss hit, that means I'm out of the trade. Yes. That's really on my head now because if not for let's say self-control or let's say I was on the chat to I would have so much lost my account because these are all right here on this major extent. Normally I would have lost my account here. But hopefully and briefly I didn't. So that is it. Thank you for listening and coming on this rant session, because I was just ranting. I wanted to speak out like, I have to talk about it. So thank you for coming along on this rant session. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Okay. Good night.